promotional transfer is going to be for anything that's not going to be put through your washer dryer. So if you'll look, comes in its own bag just like everything else, but you're going to want to make sure you keep these separate. I feel like I'm going to be a broken record, but I think it's going to be amazing for you guys to keep everything in the bag they come in so you know exactly what it is. You don't have to worry, because if you were to take this out of here, and if you weren't really paying attention and knew that's what you did, this looks exactly like a Wearables transfer. You wouldn't even know that. Like, you couldn't tell by the naked eye. Promotional, keep in the bag, and it's going on anything that's not going to be put through your washer and dryer. It's going to be 260 to 320, press for 10 seconds, peel hot or warm. There is such a wide range of temperature because you could be pressing on things that can't take as much heat, like those polypropylene recyclable grocery bags. Those are one thing that you really want to make sure you're pressing at a lower temperature. All right, we just have this canvas black bag here. Center it as best I can. Pressing for 275 for about 10 seconds. So as you guys see, we have our finished promotional transfer.